Yo, finally, I was able to finish this video and get everything done. I got all the designs done. Yeah, this first time, well, this is like the second time I did something like this on my, well, really it's the third, I think. Because I did this with my clothing line, and I did this with the Tesla redesign, like logo. And now I'm doing like my own designs, like how I would design for Human Made if I had a chance to. I'm excited to show y'all what I got. Yeah, we're gonna get right into it. Where are my sketches? I can't find my sketches. Oh, here they go. So, I'm gonna show you all, I'm gonna do two sketches. I'm gonna just show you this duck head, and this right here, which says Human Made. So those are two sketches I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna design up in Illustrator. And yeah, and I'm gonna show y'all the whole process of me designing it to mock-ups, and you can see how I design with my design flow. I did these sketches last year when I had orientation at my job. I was sitting in orientation for 3 days for like 8 hours. So I'm like on board. I'm just started sketching up some stuff. So I'll just start sketching my own Human Made designs. I'm like, I can start my own series. So that's why I started by design. And I got some other designs I had came up with for some other brands other than Human Made, so y'all stay tuned for that. The next one gonna be, it's not gonna be Human Made redesign, but it's gonna be like a collab with two brands that I really like, but I haven't really, well, I bought something from one brand already, and I haven't bought something from the other brand yet, but these are kind of popular brands, low-key dope brands as well. But yeah, by design video is finished. I'm done. I'm ready to show y'all what I'm gonna design and show you the end product. And then when I'm done, I'm gonna go over, go over each design that I had did. And I put these designs on different items. I put them on t-shirts. I put them on like iPhone cases, and I put them on tote bags, so you can see what they will look like on different items. So yeah. So without further ado, oh, I ain't said it, but you know what to do. Just do down below and everything else. But yeah, let's get right to the video. We're gonna jump right into the design. So yeah, let's get to it. Alright, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed the designs that I designed for Human Made. So now I'm gonna just talk about the designs and what I had thought of them and how I came up with these designs, and yeah, just give you my input. And y'all can give me your input down below and let me know what y'all thought about the designs that I had did. And yeah, so without further ado, we're gonna get right into this. And the designs we're gonna start off with first gonna be the duck head on the tees, the 3 different variants. So let's get right into it. All right, so as you all can see, the first tee, let's call this one duck head 1. We're gonna call this tee duck head 1 right here. All right, so this is the original design I came up with. I wanted to put drawalls in it. Of course, you gotta put the Human Made sayings in it. So I had to put drawalls like bold as well with Human Made. Cause at first, when I first sketched this, I wasn't thinking about putting Human Made in there, cause I was gonna put Human Made with drawalls. Like, is that right now? But JD had came in. He like, why don't you put Human Made in a duck head, put drawalls up under it? I'm like, yeah, let me try that, and I liked it. And then he like, also, once you try this, try to do like take away the eyes on the let's say duck head 2, this one right here in the middle. So he told me to take away the eyes. I'm like, all right, let me take away the eyes. He like, now put Human Made in there, like in the art. I'm like, cool. I'm like, okay, I like this one. But so how I did the one JD wanted as well, and I did something. I think I just like, let me try something. And so I like, let me take away the stroke lines and just do like just the colors itself, no strokes. So man, they came out perfect, and I'm like, I like the way this looks, so I'm gonna add this as well with it. And I decided, like if Human Made, they have like the heart with the 3 dashes. I decided to put that above the duck head to stay on brand and stuff like that. And let's zoom in on this, and I put Gears for Futuristic Teenagers up under, and just staying with the slogan and stuff with the brand. But yeah, I decided to do my own twist on it and just make it like my unique way of designing for Human Made. But yeah, I want to give you like a little bit more like sharper, like curvier edges. Like as you can see right here, you got every like feather got a sharp like little sharp point to it, and have it like flow a little bit. So yeah, I'm really happy how these tees turned out. And yeah, that's it for the tees. Let me know what y'all think. We got duck 1 on the left, duck 2 in the middle, and duck 3 on the far right. So let me know what y'all think of that tee. And let's go to the iPhone cases. Alright, so here's the iPhone cases. I decided to put a duck head on the cases, on like all white cases. Like I was thinking about doing clear, but it was hard to do clear, so I wanted to just put them on white so the contrast like pop a little better, a little bit like better than like other colors that I tried. It just didn't work. But yeah, like white would look better as a case because it helped the colors pop a little bit more. Just let me know what y'all think about this. Again, I wanted to put these designs on different items so we could see how they would look. Because you could say, okay, I like this design on the cases instead of the t-shirts, so let's use a different design instead to replace. You get what I'm saying? Like you gotta mix it up to see what looks best on what. So that's why I did the duck head on the iPhone case and duck heads on the tees as well. So you gotta switch it up so you can see what everything will look like all together, and you may see like the strong, like where one item may be stronger than the other with the design. So that's why I went with it. Again, we got I think it's duck head 3 on the left, and duck head 2 in the middle, and duck head 1 on the far right. It got switched up the way I was designing it. But yeah, this was really fun, man. So yeah, this what I did in my job most of the time. Like the job I had before this one, just having fun designing stuff. Yeah, and it's been a long time since I did some graphic design work, because I think it was like 2019 I lost my job as a graphic designer, and it sucks, but I haven't really been doing graphic design work since. So I just feel like this is like a perfect time for me to get back into it by doing this, and it's gonna help me like work my way back into the design field, because I've been like lacking hard for about a year and a half on designing stuff in Photoshop and Illustrator. So yeah, this is one of my favorite. Well, not gonna say my favorite, but it's just one of the other designs. Well, this design I had to put on the iPhone just so I could see what it looked like on something else. So yeah, that's it for the duck. Let's get straight into the tote bags. Alright, so this is the last design that I came up with for the last item. And I was thinking about putting this on a t-shirt, but I was like, nah, I'd rather just put this on a tote bag. So I came up with 4 different colorways for the tote bags. I want to do white, black, beige. Yeah, just color the beige and the navy blue, since Nigo loved doing navy blue, since he don't do black like that no more. But anyway, let's start the first one. Yeah, I thought it was like a really dope way to design this, not really having the heart up under the 3 stripes. So I just decided let me separate the 2 from each other, do my own little thing with it. It's hard for me to explain. I don't know. I just do stuff if I visualize it, I'm just do it with no explanation because I think it look dope and unique and different. I decided to use all 4 different colorways to show, the range where how we can use this logo when it comes to different colors. Because mainly the primary color is gonna be black and white. Within the design gonna be black and red or white and red. With the white one, so it look best, use the black text, red for the actual design. I guess you could say the heart and the 3 stripes. So yeah, that's what I did for the white. I don't know, I wouldn't want a white bag. I feel like it get dirty quick. If they decide to drop something like this, then I would go black tote bag because, just simple, sleek. You really can't go wrong with it. And I wanted to go with the beige too, because Nigo been doing a lot of beige. He do beige as well within the colorway of Human Made. So I had to add that, and of course, the navy blue. I had to add the navy blue because Nigo love doing navy blue hats and hoodies and socks and everything else. That shit stink. But yeah, that's what I decided to come up with the tote bags. I got a lot. When I tell y'all, I got a lot of stuff lined up with this series. And oof, I got some more dope Human Made stuff. I got an idea for Supreme I want to do, even though I really don't care for it, but I had an idea using some stuff that they already been doing, but do my own thing. But I hope y'all enjoy it. If y'all want a brand, if y'all want me to design something from a different brand, just let me know and I may do it, depending. It's not gonna be right away, but it's gonna be in the lineup for the other, after the other videos that I do Forward by Design. But yeah, if y'all enjoyed the video, comment, subscribe down below. I would greatly appreciate it. If y'all can hit that subscribe button and like button, you'll be helping your boy out. But one more thing before we go. If you stayed this long in the video, thank you. But hold on, I decided to sell this because I really haven't found no use for it yet, and I feel like it's just gonna sit around. And if y'all want this this canvas rucksack, just let me know. Give me your best price. Give me a bullshit price, because then if you do, I'm like, bro, that's a bullshit price. Do better. It don't have to be I don't want no crazy price, but something reasonable. But if y'all want that, hit me up, let me know. But again, I'll catch y'all next one. Peace.